I'm with Missouri State Highway Patrol. So we, it's almost self-explanatory what the Highway Patrol does. So, take care of the citizens of the state of Missouri. We have about 1,500 vehicles and about 130 boats, and then the associated trailers and motors that go with those boats. The diversity that we have in our fleet now, it used to be just one or two type of sedans and an SUV, and now we have trucks, we have vans, we have a whole multitude of things, and I think that helps our troopers be more successful in what they do. Getting vehicles on time. Our budget restricts us within a certain fiscal period, and if we don't spend that money or get those vehicles in to spend that money, then we lose it. So it makes it very difficult. Our biggest users are our service technicians, and just help keep track of our vehicles and take care of our vehicles is a big thing for us. I really like the fact that even though it's kind of an off-the-shelf software, it's still so customizable to each entity, and I love it. I love the fact that if I need to add something, I can add something just so easy, or if I need to take something away, I can make changes on the fly. And a lot of that I can do on my own without actually having to call Chevin. Sometimes I do need to call for help, but most times not, and it's a great tool. Work orders is our biggest, and we just started in the last year actually importing odometer readings from fuel records, so that's I'm a big user of that. Making our job easier and tracking our fleet. I mean, it just we went from an old AS400 system that was just ancient and a nightmare to track anything, get any data out of. It's like my boss talks about. She'll come to me and say, "Can you get this data for me?" And I'm back in her office 3 minutes later, and she's like, "How did you get that so fast?" I'm like, "FleetWave. It's so easy to get the data out of."